Training service to Kylin.
If I buy the machine, will I enjoy in time and high efficiency after sales service? After I receive the machine, how the factory will support me?
In order to eliminate Kylin's concerns, we get a video call with him and introduce the full service process, also sharing many installation video and files. 1 month later, Kylin finally orders the machine.
Dear, I have received the printer and prepared everything. And now I click the download links to get all installation files and read the user manual. How should we do next?
Okay, dear, it's so good. At first, please see the video to add inks, menu pump, and build the test line. Then we will support you to install the software by remote control. Next, you will do the alignments according to the instruction of software. Finally, you can try to print.
Okay, I understand. Let's start.
Yes, we are online in the chat group. You can check every step with us. If you have questions, please ask us anytime. 1 day later, Kylin can print and send us a printing video. The training is completed, but Nocai service is continuing. Maybe you will think the installation process is very simple after watching the video, but in fact, it's really very simple with Nocai service.